something very relaxing about taking care of our hand tools. This is fun. I'm actually sharpening the blades of my hand pruners here, and this is a very important part of maintenance of our gardening tools that make gardening so much easier. Now, after cleaning and oiling your hand pruners and other items that have blades and metal that need to be lubricated and cleaned, you want to sharpen those blades. And why is it important to keep those blades sharpened? Well, it makes the job easier, but it's also important for the plant. When we make nice, sharp, clean cuts, it makes it easier for the plant to heal after pruning, and it makes that area nice and smooth so that insects and disease don't just hop in on those blades. So you're going to get a diamond coated file. You can pick these up from retail garden centers. You can probably find them in the larger box stores, but you're going to find a file. You can use coarse to very fine. If you use more than one file, start with the coarse and move to the more fine as you go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to use that diamond coated surface. You're going to locate the sharpen edge of your pruners, and you're going to go on that beveled sharpen edge, and you're going to make nice long strokes along the cutting edge at about a 10-degree angle, and you just pull those across a few times. Now make sure that you get both sides, right? And you can use a twig. Keep a twig handy after you've been cutting or after you've been sharpening, so you can make a cut and make sure that they're sharp. Now once you've cleaned, you want to get rid of all of those little metal burrs, clean it up. You can apply another coating of oil, wipe it real fine, and then you've got those sharpened pruners that are going to be so important in the spring when we start cleaning up. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.